Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial is on this look right here, and I'm using the Norvina Volume 3 palette. If you want to know how I got this look right here, just keep watching. I'm going to use the colors C3 as my transition shade, and then C4 will be on top of that. Primer, I'll be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo. Having just a normal brush, I'm going to go ahead and get that color C3, and I'm going to go ahead and work that all over my eyelid as my transition shade. B2. And we're going to add a little bit of the B1. I'm going to use the Hank & Henry Slick With It eyeliner. For lashes, first we're going to do my Lancome XL Lash Booster. NARS Climax, of course. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Hopefully your quarantine is bearable. I know everybody's going nuts being stuck at home, but at least here in Texas, I think they're going to start opening up the states May 1st, so on Friday. Let's see how that goes. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day and a lovely rest of your week. It's raining here. So yeah, it's probably gonna rain for the next 2 days. So with that being said, have a good one. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social media